In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download data from Redfin. Redfin, as many of you may already know, is a popular real estate website that provides a wealth of information for people looking to buy or sell homes. Whether you're a seasoned real estate investor or just diving into property searching, being able to download data can give you a significant advantage by providing you with the tools to analyze market trends, property values, and more. First, to get started, open your browser and visit the Redfin website. It's important to ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. Once on the home page, you'll notice a simple search bar. Now, for the purposes of our tutorial, let's select a specific section to download data from. An ideal place to start exploring would be the Homes for Sale section. To do this, simply click on the Homes for Sale link, which is often prominently displayed on the top navigation bar. This section holds all the current listings, making it an excellent source for up-to-date market data. Now, after clicking on Homes for Sale, you'll see a variety of listings appearing on your screen. This page is generally organized to showcase the most relevant and recent listings, but feel free to use filters to narrow down your preferences, such as location, price range, or property type to better suit your needs. Once you've adjusted these settings to your liking, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Scrolling might take a little time depending on how specific or broad your initial query was, but you want to make sure you're viewing the full extent of data that interests you. Now, here's the straightforward part. At the bottom, you'll find an option that says Download All. This button is your gateway to accessing all the data you see on your screen. Simply click on Download All, and you might need to specify the file format depending on your preferences and the tools you plan on using. Usually, the data will download as a CSV file, which can then be opened in spreadsheet applications like Excel or Google Sheets for further analysis. Depending on your browser and download settings, the file will save to your designated Downloads folder. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded data from Redfin. This data can now be parsed, studied, and used for any analysis or insights you need for your real estate ventures. Remember, regularly downloading new data will help you keep up to date with the ever-changing real estate market trends. If you have any questions or need further clarification on certain parts of this process, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy data gathering, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.